कोकण रेल्वेन केंद्रीय रेल्वेच्या सहकार्यान चवथीकडेन आपल्या गांवघरा येवपी भक्तां खातीर खासा ट्रेनींचे आयोजन केलां। ह्यो ट्रेनी 22 ऑगस्ट ते 10 सप्टेंबर मजगती मुंबयच्यान सावंतवाडी रत्नागिरी मेरेन चलतल्यो, अशी माहिती कोकण रेल्वेचो सरवेवस्थापक बबन खाटकेन दिली।
Ensuing Ganesh Chaturthi festival, Konkan Railway, in coordination with Central Railway, Western Railway as well as Southern Railway, has announced running of special trains. These trains will start somewhere on 22nd of August, where Ganpati is on 27. So 5-6 days prior to that, these services will be operational. And many trains are there which are running between Mumbai CSMT to Sawantwadi, Mumbai CSMT to Ratnagiri, Mumbai CSMT to Madgaon, likewise LTT to CSMT and then LTT to Madgaon. Then some trains are down south also, going towards south. So I request passengers who are finding difficulty in booking our regular train to book in this special train, avail these services for getting a confirmed seat for their Ganesh Chaturthi visit.